Hello and welcome. Today we'll be taking a look at how to request an e-signature in PracticeMaster using LexShare. LexShare allows users to securely share files with your clients and request signatures from them. Your clients can securely sign documents right from their email. This time-saving feature makes the e-signature process easy for both your clients and your firm. Let's get started. Once the LexShare integration is configured, one of the easiest places to start an e-signature request is in the Matter Manager. Start by selecting the document that you need signed, then click Request e-signature in the Quick Clicks pane. Note that you can start an e-signature request from anywhere that you can access document records. Once the Request e-signature action has been selected, you'll be prompted to enter information for the request on the Request e-signature window. At the top, you'll see that the file to sign matches the document selected in the Matter Manager, and that the matter has already been assigned in the LexShare workspace. Next, you can specify if you want to send a direct link or if you want to require a correct response to a question to access the document. When using the Question Answer option, you can select a question that the signer will need to answer correctly before they can access the document to sign. When Direct Link is selected, anybody who clicks on the link from the email will be able to access the document to sign. In the Template section, you can choose to use an existing LexShare template or create a custom template for this document. Predefined templates can be helpful when you have documents that require multiple signatures or that are frequently used. For this example, we'll use the Custom option. From the Custom Template window, you'll see that the attached document is displayed. You can drag and drop various elements or jot blocks into the template. For this document, we'll add both a signature and a date jot block to the form. Once the blocks are in place, click Finish to save the changes. Next, add a signer by clicking the Add New button. This allows you to enter the signer's name and email address. Note that the email address will need to be entered by the signer in order to verify their identity, so be sure that the email address is correct. Below, in the Receive Email section, select which staff member you want the request to come from, as well as who needs to be notified when the document has been signed. Additionally, you can enter instructions for your client in the Instructions section if necessary. When ready, click Prepare Request. A progress bar will be displayed as LexShare takes care of creating and sending your document. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message. From here, you can view the request or click Done to return to the Matter Manager. When your client receives the email, they'll be able to view the document by clicking the link in the email. Once they've verified their email address, the user will be prompted to adopt a signature. Then, they're ready to sign and complete all necessary fields. When your client is finished signing, all they need to do is click Finish. Back in PracticeMaster, search for and select Import LexShare files in the Quick Launch. Alternatively, you can use the Pinned Actions feature to pin this action and see when new documents have been added. In the Import window, you'll see the document that your client has just signed. To see more details, select the document name to view it as a PDF. When you're ready to import the document, double-click the entry to pull up a document management window. Once you've filled in any additional information, click Save. Now, in the Matter Manager, you'll see that the signed document is included. And that's all it takes to request an e-signature in PracticeMaster. For more information about configuring and working with LexShare, check out knowledge base article R11901, LexShare Integration at support.tabs3.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.